Hey everybody, this is Brett with DCM Bioservices. Today, I'm going to show you how to power on the Thermo KingFisher Flex. Before you power on your Thermo KingFisher Flex, you want to make sure that the deck is completely free of labware. When you power on the instrument, it is going to initialize and do a homing procedure that rotates the entire rotating platform. The power switch for this instrument is on the left side, just in front of the power cord. Thanks for watching. If you don't feel comfortable performing any of this on your own instrument, you can email us at service@dcmbio.com or visit our website, dcmbio.com.